Your question is to input a digit and print in words. So input a digit, you will ask the user to input a digit and you will print in words. Now what you require, you will ask the user to input a digit. Now that digit I am taking here, it will be integer. So int input, then enter any digit, enter a digit. You can mention also from 0 to 9, that also you can write from 0 to 9 any digit, and then you will check it using if your digit equals to, now when you are checking using if, we use double equals to sign. So if it is equals to 0, then it will print in words, so it will print here 0. And like this you have to, you can use elif also or you can use if also, both will work. So here this should be control V and space. So for 9, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So 0 and then 1. So 1 I will use this. So here it is. Now this is 1. Then this, if it is 1, you have to print any one in words, and if it is 2, you will print here TW2. Then if it is 3, then THREE. If it is 4, so what is happening, it will simply come here and check, and if the digit is as per the user has entered, it will print in words. And in this you can use one more method instead of if. First one will be compulsory, it will be if only, and if the condition is false, then it is checking all the condition. In this case you can use elif also in all the cases. So elif is best. I have just pasted it, that's why I have used this one. I will show you with both the methods. So 7, 8, 9. 7, 8 and 9. Now when you will execute it, if suppose he is entering something else, instead of a digit he is entering something else, so it will show that it is a wrong entry. You have to enter the digit from 0 to 9, so that it will show. Now when I am executing this program, it is showing enter a digit. If I am entering any digit, it is showing here in words, it is 7. Yeah. Now this same program, what I am doing is, now I will use elif, and at the end I will write, I am just copying it. Okay, now here you can see the same program, but here I am using elif in all the cases. Now here what will happen, if the first condition is false, it will go to the next one, that is else statement. In that elif is given, and at the end I have written here else print wrong input. Only digit was asked, so if he is entering something wrong input, so wrong input. Now when you are executing this one, what is happening, suppose you are entering any digit, then it is showing the digit in words. But if you are entering other than 0 to 9 anything else, or 2 digit, so it will show wrong input. Okay, now here what happened is I have used here int, so it is showing error message because here I have used int. So okay, I'm executing it again and then I'm entering a 2 digit and it will show here it is a wrong input. It is clear? Now I will show you the next one more method is there. If we make any error like alphabet I have entered, now for that you can use the try except block, which I will explain you in error handling tools. So this is your answer.